Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by cosx. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. So this is about linear differential equations. So we can find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. That is about this one. And now I will show you how to find this integration. Tanx, that is about sin x over cosine x. So we can put like this. Next, we need to use about integrating by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change for u. Sin x dx we change for negative du. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over u about u, that is about cosine x. So this one we have e to the power of 1 over cosine x. So we need to multiply both sides by this one. So we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of 1 over cosine x. We know that the integration of this one, that is similar for this one. So this one, that is about e to the power of 1 over cosine x. And I will put about c. Later that we divide both sides by this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.